Sir. I'm here with a quick unboxing. I got a package from Chasin Bombs with Chris and Ashley today. So I figured I'd just go ahead and open it up real quick. I am very excited to see what it is because it's from the Galaxia. I think that's how you say it. It's one of their older collections and they re-released it, and I was very excited because, as you all know, most of my wardrobe is black and these are black rings. And I heard they come with their own special little boxes. Ooh, that is really pretty. Okay, it's like this pretty purple velvet box that actually kind of matches my outfit today. I'm gonna get up and oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, this one, we got size 7s this time. Ooh, that is so pretty. I don't know if my camera's gonna show. I'm having issues with my camera setup lately, so that is super pretty. So we got that, and then, ooh, that is so cute. I got a little pin here, and there's crystals on top of it. And I promise I am working on bettering my camera setup. I'm working on it. Oh, we got something else in here. Oh, that's so cool. They've got bracelets. They got bracelets with the business name on it. Look at it. It says Chasin Bombs. I like that. I wear these bracelets a lot, so this will match a lot of my clothes. So go ahead and slip that on. And then, yep, we got one last box here. And I'll let you guys see it before me. Ooh, that is super pretty. The first one is a size 7. This one is a size 6 since I can fit both of them. This is the one that I really wanted out of the collection. I'm so happy I got this. If I can get my camera to work. It's all black and it's got an onyx in there. Those are my 2 new rings I got from Chasin Bombs with Chris and Ashley. And of course, I really love these cute little velvet ring boxes. That's about all for right now. I do have a vlog of my road trip to Tennessee last weekend that I will be posting up soon on my YouTube channel, Cat Night, both with K's. And my profile picture is me with a blue wig, so don't be thrown off by that. So go check out Chasin Bombs with Chris and Ashley and join in on their next live and buy some of the rings. I love them. And subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. And check out my TikTok, CatKnight171. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Tell me like a Hellcat.